Well, Harley from Knowlton North, the wife and I and the dog doing our social distancing. I hate saying that. I hate bringing it up. But I guess that's what the world is today. So we got back up to camp for the first time in about 6 months. Opened everything up. Everything looked good, smelled good, no mice, no tarantulas running around, no water damage anywhere in the cellar. Everything was perfect. Walked around the property and collected some trail camera cards, and other than that, we've been napping for a day and a half. So evidently all this bullshit is getting to us a little bit, like everybody else. So it was a good way to get away from it all for a while and just relax. So we have a nice fire going. Probably can't see it, but we've got a nice moon and a blue sky. First couple stars are out. I don't know if you can hear all the peepers and frogs down in the pond. But for a couple hours, we're just going to try to relax and forget all the bullshit going on, I guess. So anyway, enjoy the outdoors, stay safe, be careful out there. Knowlton North. Enjoying the camp.